And continuing on with the themes of unboxing, I guess, like I said in a previous video, I had to grab some things for an upcoming trip that I'm going on, and a flash was kind of another necessity. I do have a few of these off-camera flashes that I could use. Figured it would just be easier to have a straight on-camera flash that I could use at any given time. I do like using flash. So I went and picked up a Godox on-camera flash for my Sony, and it actually will work with the Sony remote that I have or the Godox remote that I have for my Sony, that'll work with the other Godox flashes that I have. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. This was a special kind of package from Amazon, so it came with a whole bunch of extra stuff as well. So let's get the camera into a better position and check it out. Okay, and welcome back. Here we go with a better view. I actually don't know how I'm gonna open this guy. It's kind of a strangely packaged, but I guess maybe if I start with the actual tape here first. And there is a little glimpse of what it is. Cool. I think maybe I could get the rest of this without the knife. Maybe I spoke too soon. Get that out of the way. There we are. Needed a flash that I could use with the Sony without really needing to go into anything else or buy another real expensive kit. I didn't want to buy another Sony flash or one of theirs, so this still works like TTL and all that, as you can see right there. And it should serve its purpose for me when I am abroad and traveling. So here we go. Let's see it open. There is a neat case here. I have no idea what this is. Is this a bounce card? Oh, it comes with a little soft box. That's pretty crazy. Before we open this, here we go. Alright, pretty sweet. There's no real frame to this, unfortunately. Just stays open by being on the actual flash. Cool. I mean, sure. Just put that aside right now. We have a charger, much like their other chargers that you use for the other Godox flash system that I have. And then there should probably be, here's the battery. That's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Interesting, but cool. You just boop right there and then plug this into the wall with this guy right here. Go ahead and set that aside. And then, wow, okay. More interesting pieces that I don't know what I bought. This is kind of weird. But cracking it open. Alright, it's some sort of, well, there's Velcro on there. And it goes the opposite way. It's a holder of sorts. Maybe for whatever is in here. I think these are going to be, again, little plastic. Yep. So these are all your gels that you get. Wow. Alright. And so you store these gels in here, I presume, but I don't really understand how to close it yet, so. Or, I guess that's probably what the extra Velcro is for. Why there's soft Velcro on here, I do not know. That doesn't make any sense. Like, unless you're supposed to somehow figure out how to close it strangely, but I assume this is to Velcro onto either this bag or the flash somehow with the gels. We have the warranty card and the manual, which I will be going over. Hopefully there's an English section. Here it is. Just to understand, typically because I like high-speed sync, this is for the battery charger. QC pass again. More silica. Put this down over on the side. Here we go. Okay. I have no idea what this is. I wonder if this is an LED light or... Interesting. Something USB. And then in here we have the actual flash, and cool, this is just a normal size flash, nothing too special about it. Assume this is for either syncing or, yeah, probably for syncing. I figured maybe you could externally charge this bad boy as well to try to keep it longer. It does have the special Sony shoe, so this should have the multi whatever shoe that Sony uses. Yep, there you go. See that right there. The other side should be where the battery goes. Flip it open. Yep, that big battery goes right into there. And yeah, pretty simple. A little bounce card and then a diffuser to spread the flash, or maybe that's not what it's called. I don't know what the official name of that little plastic piece that sits in there is. But yeah, okay, that's empty with the exception of a little hot shoe mount so that you could put it either standing or on a stand, because this is radio triggerable. And that was another reason I got it, because I already have the remote trigger that will trigger this flash in particular that goes with the Godox system that I use typically for portraits. And well, it's pretty awesome actually. Let's go and set that aside. Alright, cool. I think, yeah, that was pretty amazing. Again, I'm pretty sure that they shipped from China, so I guess technically I should probably take that out. There. There. Manuals and stuff. There's gels and the light box, and yeah, there we go. Ton of stuff came with this. I'm impressed at the amount of stuff that came with this, and I just grabbed it real quick off of Amazon. So, all right. Hopefully, this next trip of mine will be easy going, and I won't have to worry about all this stuff that I have. Anyhow, I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.